Dear students of 12th class, through this video I am going to explain very important topic. We have covered many topics till now. Out of these all topics, this topic is very important, most important. Why? Because in board exam, 1 marks question generally asked on the basis of this type of question. Here the question is, set up the galvanic cells corresponding to the following redox reaction. These are the two redox reactions. We have to convert these redox reactions into galvanic cell. In some cases, galvanic cell is given in the question and we have to convert that reaction into redox reactions. Therefore, these reactions, these type of questions are very important. Directly such type of questions may be asked, but in most of cases, when the question is given, numerical is given, such type of topics, such type of concept is required for solving such numericals. Therefore, watch this video from the starting to the end and learn these concepts. Write these points in your fair notebook. Here, in first reaction I am taking, this is a complete redox reaction. Why? Because in this reaction both processes are taking place, reduction as well as oxidation. Here the copper, which is changing into copper ion, easily you can get this type of half reaction. Here the oxidation is taking place. Why? Because there is a loss of electron. In the second part of this reaction, that is Ag ion, silver 1 positive ion, is changing into neutral, silver neutral atoms. Therefore, in this part, electrons are taking by the silver ion. Therefore, this process is reduction. Let us in some detail, I am going to explain it. Watch and listen carefully. Come to next page of this video. In this page, stepwise all things are explained. As in this reaction, the half part, that is copper, is changing into copper ion plus electron, means oxidation. Already this point is clear to you. Now the other part of this redox reaction is silver ions, means 2 silver ions are required here. Why? Because per atom of copper 2 electrons are given. Therefore, for taking 2 electrons, 2 ions of Ag1 positive is required, and after taking these electrons, silver is getting neutralized. This is a process of taking electron. Therefore, it is a reduction reaction, and this reaction will take place in the reduction half cell, means towards right side, and the electrode which will be there, that will be cathode, and this will be oxidation process, and it will take place towards left side of the cell, and that cell have electrode. That electrode will be anode. Anode have negative charge, cathode have positive charge. Opposite sign are there in case of galvanic cell. Already I have explained, again and again I am repeating, because some students are not watching such type of things carefully. Since the oxidation process involves the conversion of copper solid into copper ion, means there is a loss of electron. Now, according to the sign convention given by IUPAC, we should write first oxidation process, and that oxidation process should be represented in short in a abbreviation form, means copper is here as a reactant within that half cell and copper ion as a product, and this must be written in the form of symbol, that is here copper solid is changing into copper ion, and these two different substances must be separated by one vertical line. This one vertical line is showing the change, means copper is changing into copper ion. At starting, copper was present, but due to the reaction, copper ions are formed. and this aqueous word is generally used for giving the concentration of solution like 1 m or 0.1 m, but here concentration is not given, therefore in place of that aqueous word is written. Similarly, the cathode of the galvanic cell corresponding to the given reaction should be silver. Ag, positive ion present in the right side, means at the reduction half cell, and from that solution the silver ion will take electron and they will convert it into silver solid. And this change again is represented and separated by vertical line, means starting substance was silver ion and these silver ions changing into silver solid, means neutral, after reduction process, and that's why that half cell is known as reduction half cell. Hence, to get the complete galvanic cell, combine these both half parts. These both parts means, according to sign convention, first we have to write oxidation half cell and then reduction half cell, and these both cells are connected by salt bridge. Here the double line is showing salt bridge. This is a galvanic cell, representation of galvanic cell for the first redox reaction. Now come to the second part of this question. In that part, now on the basis of first part, easily you can get this solution. Here redox reaction is this. Half parts of this reaction are oxidation and reduction. In this case, oxidation is going on. In this case, reduction is going on. In this case, both half cells are joined together to get complete reaction, and complete reaction will be this. I hope that you are getting all things. Now, one more thing I want to add in this video, that if we add this reaction, for example, this is a reaction, this is a half reaction, means this reaction is, this redox reaction is completely converted into half parts. Now these half parts can be again converted into this complete reaction. Why and how? When we add these both parts, oxidation half parts, these electrons will be cancelled out, and on adding these left side together as a reactant and right side as a product, again we will get the reaction which is split into reduction and oxidation half cells. These concepts are very important. Keep in your mind, must note down in your fair notebook. And if you are not getting, if you are having any problem, still if there is any problem, watch it again, or you can ask through WhatsApp. Any type of doubts you must clear, otherwise in coming topics there will be some problem for you.